I am Sunny Sharma from Foetron Academy. Foetron Academy is a digital literacy platform. We enable people to get insights into technology by creating product demos and publishing interactions with leading experts. Today, Manish, who's with us, has 2 decades of IT operations and management experience. His key areas of expertise include adoption of technology, data security, architecture and design, and project management. Now we'll be directly interacting with him and understand more about his journey in the IT world. So Manish, we would like to understand more about you. If you can just briefly introduce yourself and your journey, that would really help us.
Hi, very good morning, Sunny. So basically myself is Manish Surve. I am basically born and brought from Mumbai only. Okay, total number of experience I am having almost more than 24 years. Okay, I was worked in the all sector of the companies, just like the manufacturing sector. Currently, I am working. I was with the banking finance sector, mutual funding sector, and IT sectors. These are the multiple sectors where I have worked. Okay, I have work with the ICICI Bank from ICICI Infotech for more than 10 plus years. Then I was with SBI Mutual Fund. Okay, currently I am working with the Rekem RPG. It's a RPG group company where I am handling the entire IT infrastructure for them. Along with I'm looking the group level projects also, because I am a member of the COE of the RPG group. So all group level projects, whatever it is going, that is also a part of our scope of the work. Okay, with respect to my apart from my work, I love to go to gym every morning. I have a hobby of Saturday Sundays doing my cycling and then yoga. So these are the other activities which I am more focusing apart from my day-to-day operational jobs. Okay, with respect to the nationwide recognition you're asking me, I got the first award of IT Next 100 Future CI Award, then Big CI Award, then IT Manufacturing Award, and Innovation Award. And these are the 4-5 awards which I awarded from last 2 to 3 years when I start participating in such kind of award function. Previously, I was never interacting such kind of award function. Then that was encouraged me more in my career perspective. So this is something about brief myself.